Hi YouTube! Today we are inside my 2017 base model 370Z. Today I want to go over a few mods, just a few little interior mods that I've added to help me with daily driving this 370Z. So first off, I have a dash cam. This dash cam is the Autovox V5 Pro and you can find it on Amazon. I will provide the link. This I highly recommend if you are looking to keep an OEM look. It has a rear and front view and you're able to access it easily by pressing this button. So it goes to the rear view, goes to the front view, and then it gives you both views. So this is actually wired into the top and then it goes around. It has a little GPS unit and then it is plugged down here into my fuses. So it replaces the whole mirror instead of it being an attachment. One of the other additions I've done to this base model is add this little cubby. It is a delete that gets rid of the three or four buttons here that would be blank for the base model. And for the other models, I believe they have like a seat warmer, a trunk release, fun stuff like that. So for the base model, it's just blank. So I got this little cubby that I think was on eBay. And it actually fits my phone perfectly. I'm not really able to show you right now because the phone is in my hand. But phone goes here. I have no issues fitting any cups in here. This is fine for me. This is a cherry blossom likewise shift boot with a Nismo shift knob. I have no complaints for either of these. I like them both. Great decision. So this is the JVC home unit. This model is the KW V840BT and it's fairly old. It's around 2018. I got it like as the first mod right when I got this car in 2018. I bought it used. So this is connected to this little device right here. This little device is a wireless Apple CarPlay and it allows me to play without connecting my phone every time. So I used to have to connect it through here and then I'd have a wire running right here and I'd have my phone kind of hanging out right here. Now I freely have my phone available because of this, not mine. So these are the basic functions of Apple CarPlay. I'm not going to go through all of them. I just want to show you that it does work, it is compatible, but it's with the aftermarket head unit that is Apple CarPlay compatible. So there are a few tricks when you're trying to mismatch if it's going to work for you or not.
Apple.com. Need